This is a final video to fix the Wi-Fi Network Unstable error after the Android 16 beta update. And if you've been struggling with your phone dropping connections or slowing down randomly, you're not alone. This problem usually happens because the new update changes how your phone manages Wi-Fi signals, and many settings get reset or conflicted without you even noticing. Most guides on YouTube or social media make it look super complicated, with tons of steps and confusing menus. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works instantly. All you need to do is reset your network settings and tweak one hidden Wi-Fi option that Android 16 hides deep inside the developer settings, and you'll get stable, fast internet again without any apps or extra tools. If you want, comment below and I'll make a full step-by-step tutorial so you can fix it perfectly on your own.